In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack account. Creating a Slack account is one of the fastest ways to get started with team communication. Whether you want to join an existing workspace or set up a brand new one for your company or project. The process is simple, and in most cases, it only takes a few minutes from start to finish. It's also helpful to know that one Slack account can be used across multiple workspaces, so you do not need to create a separate account every time you work with a different team. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Slack website at slack.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the button labeled Get Started or Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin creating your account. On the sign up screen, enter your professional email address into the text box. If you prefer a faster option, you can also choose Continue with Google or Continue with Apple to connect using an existing account. After that, click the purple Continue button to move forward. If you entered your email manually, Slack will send a 6-digit verification code to your inbox. Open your email, find the message from Slack, and copy or type that code into the boxes shown on your screen. This step confirms that you have access to the email address and helps keep your account secure. If the email does not appear right away, it may help to check your spam or junk folder and wait a moment for delivery. Once your email has been verified, Slack will guide you into setting up your basic profile. Enter your full name in the display name field, then create a strong password to protect your account. A secure password should be easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. When that is done, click Next or Create Account to continue. After your profile is ready, Slack will show you the next important choice: joining a workspace or creating one. If your company or team has already invited you, simply click the invitation that appears on your dashboard to enter that workspace. If you are setting up Slack for a new team, choose Create a Workspace and follow the prompts to name your company team, select a project name, and start inviting colleagues. And that's it. You now know how to create a Slack account and get started with your workspace. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.